Understanding Swallow One's Pride, a guide to humility in English. Hello and welcome. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of English idioms, focusing on a phrase that's all about humility and overcoming ego. Swallow one's pride. This idiom is a powerful expression used in various contexts, and understanding it can greatly enhance your English communication skills. Let's explore what it means, its origins, and how you can use it in your daily conversations. Swallow one's pride means to set aside one's ego or personal dignity and admit to a mistake or apologize, often when it is difficult or embarrassing to do so. It's about overcoming one's arrogance or admitting you're wrong, even when it's the last thing you want to do. This phrase is commonly used in situations where acknowledging fault or defeat is necessary for resolution or progress. The idiom, swallow one's pride, has been a part of the English language for centuries, with its origins tracing back to religious and literary texts that emphasize humility and the importance of conceding one's faults. The visual metaphor of swallowing something undesirable, like one's pride, perfectly captures the difficulty of admitting wrongdoing or subduing one's ego. To fully grasp the meaning and use of swallow one's pride, let's look at some examples. In personal relationships, after the argument, I decided to swallow my pride and apologize to my friend for what I said. In professional settings, the team leader had to swallow his pride and admit that the project's failure was partly due to his oversight. In everyday situations, I swallowed my pride and asked for help when I realized I was lost in the city. For English language learners, understanding and using idioms like swallow one's pride can add depth to your conversations. Here are a few tips. Listen for context. Pay attention to the context in which the phrase is used to grasp its meaning fully. Practice using the idiom. Try using swallow one's pride in sentences or during conversations to become comfortable with its application. Remember the nuance. Using this idiom implies a level of humility and self-awareness, so use it where it fits the situation appropriately. Swallow one's pride is an idiom that teaches us about humility, the importance of admitting mistakes, and the strength it takes to overcome our ego. By understanding and using this expression, you can enrich your English communication and express complex emotions and actions effectively. We hope this video has been enlightening and encourages you to embrace the beauty and depth of English idioms. Until next time, keep learning and exploring the richness of the English language.